Yawan jika bam yang plang festival kaban long ha ka atusan risau ha sau man glenti shoban poi tersan bela penya daga senjuk mau plang.
Ubak Pol Lyngdoh Menteri Beri Kemi Ikatanat Kam Jungok Kai Haka Jela Bat Unong Ai Ketien Jong Sarkar MDA 2 Habakan Thoi Kajing Persyak Ban Penkot Ikata Masa Cherry Blossom Kabalai Sngi Haka Sngi Ublay Kata Haka Khat Khandai Tarik Unai Wing Arja Arpulai Ulaong Baman Laka Sngi Kadai Sngi Khuid Bat Kordor Bat Omday Tang shisien taïew Kumban syukro baga sandur tip kha ngiu hinyau tram kasti kala pak Kyrwoh haka khat nyau tarik risau arja arpulai baga sngo persya ekatega jimpen kot tamasa haka sngi ublai bat halor kani ubak pol ulaong baki beriau kim le hok bat kim don jingnet tang haka shisien taïew kata masa cherry blossom gan sedang haka khat nyau tarik unai wing bat kan kut bat haka khat kendai tarik unai wing arja arpulai haka ba anwan penchong shit daki nong roi nong tam nasabari India bat kibana ka jelaru kumju.
I don't think that is worth commenting on. Every day is holy, every day is precious, every second is precious. There is not just a particular day in a week which is holy, and the rest of the week then become unholy. So I don't think it's really worth commenting on.
Thank you.
Andy, your wife has been sitting there. She has been ready for a while now. Go for the test.
I'm already watching the test, Mom.
Son, it is important to take this test at the earliest.
Mom, why do we need to rush? What will happen even if we're late to take the test?
Look, son. You see, that is why it is important to reach on time. Go.
Within the first 3 months of pregnancy, it is important for the mother to get tested for HIV in order to prevent the baby from getting infected with HIV, so that the mother and the baby can live a healthy and long life.
Earlier the checkup.
Healthy life confirmed.
Get yourself tested for HIV during your first pregnancy checkup.